guys, kasya pa Sam. Ingat sa biyahe.
I'm swimming in everything you said. I'm thinking about jumping in it. Instead, I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head.
Good morning! Ayun, so, kagising lang namin dito sa third accommodation namin. Yung buong eto, para siyang alam niyo yung mga container house. Para siyang ganun. And, yun, new experience. And, si Krister ay order kami ngayon ng breakfast na namin. And, ngayon, nagpapainit din ako ng water for our coffee.
Well, here's hot water for coffee. One of the first inns na puntahan namin na may actual heater. About time, sayang yung mga kaping dala ko.
So, ayun. Okay naman dito actually. This is actually the best na so far sa mga naging accommodation namin. Yung isa kasi bundok, yung isa malapit sa coast, which is actually okay din. But here kasi, the feeling is very homey. Very, parang sa bahay ka lang. So, later, since madadaanan naman namin yung mangrove, we might go and try. Kasi, ang namin is, kinross out na namin yung Long Beach because dadaan pa ulit kami ng bundok. And I don't wanna go through that anymore.
Wala siyang possible na way to actually go to Long Beach. Kailangan namin umikot, find another route sa main road ng Puerto Princesa. Then, akit ulit kami balik dito. So, no thank you. Tapos, yung 100 steps we had to cancel. Kaka-check lang ng map and rough road siya. All the way up there.
Yeah. Yung sasakyan kasi, it's, maliit siya. Though kinaya niya nung kahapon, yung mga dinaanan. But I don't wanna...
No risks anymore.
Yeah.
Medyo nakakatakot na yun. How many times were you scared na magkakaroon ng sira ng sasakyan?
Yeah, I don't wanna go through that anymore. And as much as possible, dapat iniingatan yung sasakyan. Yeah. Ours or not, iniingatan dapat because, ito kami sa taas. Sa ground floor, which is 13. So, ganyan siya. Tapos ito yung view. So yeah, provincial vibe. Coffee. Sana okay lang si Christian Grey. Sana okay ka lang. Excited ako sa breakfast ko dahil tuyo! May saging. Tapos kay Krister ay corn silog. Tapos ito, medyo makulimlim na ulit. Kaya sabi ko, hindi na kami mag-coastal. I mean, magdagat. Kasi baka abutan kami ng ulan. So, kakain muna kami. And, yeah.
Hi guys. So currently hindi pa kami makaalis. And ito ang current situation namin. So we were just about leaving na napansin namin na sobrang flat nung kanan namin sa likod. Buti na lang napansin agad namin and nakatawag ng tulong from Labella kasi kuya na makakapag-assist sa atin with kahit bomba man lang. So we'll be on our way para ipatingin yung gulong sa likod for vulcanizing. Tapos balikan na lang namin yung gamit namin here. So yeah, we will be RB. Thank you po. Balik po kami. So yeah, vulcanizing it is. Vulcanizing shop na kaya naman ng Wigo. Yung binomba lang sa amin ng tricycle kanina, pinampo lang siya ng hangin. So ito siya currently. Ito, pagka-check ni kuya after niyang tubigan yung gulong, ang sabi niya may tinamaan daw kami na pako. We're suspecting na baka dun yun sa iniestayan namin na parking. But hey, at least focus lang ngayon, maayos tong gulong, have it vulcanized, and ensure na lahat ng gulong namin okay for the rest of the trip. So yun lang ang current update for now. We'll see you guys again soon. Hopefully back on the road na kami and everything's set. Nakabalik na kami to La Bella to pick up yung mga gamit namin. And we're off na pabalik ng Puerto. It's a 3-hour drive pa. So we'll make our way there and yeah, we'll stay safe.
Masid. Char.
Sponsored. I wish, no? Be nice. Anyway, see you Puerto Princesa. Alright. Recording this for the purpose of showing yung roadside ng mountainous areas. So as you can see, meron tayong mga lanes which are not really very passable. Lubog and on the verge of possible landslide. Hopefully not naman for other people. Ayan, may mga ganyan, mga gumuhong lupa na tinubuan na lang ng damo.
It's actually far from the ones na una naming dinaanan nung sa kabilang side ng El Nido. So,
Ito ang mga side na to, yan, oh. Kinain na ng landslide yung almost kalahati ng daan. Descent to. Yung next is sa U-turn pababa. So Vias na lang ang aming kasama nasa likod. Currently kami ang buntot ni una sa Vios. Again, ano naman, ang isa pang ano dito around the mountainous areas, maraming heavy equipment kasi merong mga under construction and clearing ng mga debris. So yan, katulad yan, meron tayong excavator, merong mga ganyan sa gilid. Ayan, oh, naayos nila yung kalsada. I'm guessing ito para ma-fortify yung gilid ng daan at hindi siya gumuhog.
hopefully.
Oo. So yes. Para so far ang ano naman, maayos siya. Though yung mga gilid talaga na ganyan, hindi siya nilalagyan ng railings dito. So talagang you have to be very careful on your way here. Pero the view here, great if great, pero if you're the one driving, you really have to focus.
Be careful talaga. Take your time. Huwag kang bilis-bilis.
Yes.
Take your time talaga.
It really helps then na one of you navigates while the other focuses on driving.
Helps ako.
Para heads up. So far naman, puro pababa na area na itong nadadaanan namin. I hope na medyo tuloy-tuloy na, pero highly unlikely. So I'll cut muna here. I'll probably record ulit mamaya if medyo may pataas na. And see you later.
Bye. Bakit kasi kayo? Shit, kaya ba niya? Kaya niya. Galing mo, Vios. Come on, brother. Come on. Let's go.
Balik kanan. Yes, please focus. Thank you very much. Bundok man, dagat man, saan man, wherever we go together. So if you're ever wondering ano itsura ng mga landslide up close, that's one example.
kami sa last accommodation namin dito sa Palawan. And parang save the best for last accommodation siya kasi sobrang ganda. Ito yung kanyang CR. Yan. Very spacious. Oh guys, may ulan. Char. Oh, ang shala niya bakla. Char. Di ba? Sobrang astig. Sobrang laki na nga nito for us eh. And then yung ano nila, closet nila, parang ref. Oh, char. And then, ito yung buong room. Ito na siya. Ayan. Tapos, may tig-isa kaming bed. Ayan. So, ito na yung buong bed. And then, akala namin, ito kasi door to. Sliding door. Ay, basta. Sa likod nito. Yan. Akala namin balcony. Pagbukas namin, hallway. Parang hindi dapat siya nakikita ng ano. So, ayan siya. Ayan. So, stay kami dito guys for 2 nights. Kasi tonight and then tomorrow. Then before flight. Dahil ang flight namin ay 6 ng umaga. And yun, wala pa kaming kain. So, kakain muna kami sa kanilang resto.
It's 4 p.m.
It's 4 p.m. na. Okay, bye guys. See you tonight. Hi guys. So, hindi namin in-expect na yung restaurant dito sa hotel ay may gantong view. Ang ganda. Ganda.
It's one of the small parts in the area.
Yeah. Baka pwede tayo maglakad-lakad dyan.
I think we can.
No? Subukan namin punta dyan kung pwede.
Anyway.
Ay, order, sorry.
Nakapag-check-in na kami, nakakain na kami ng lunch kanina. Happy na. Currently, nandito kami sa Baywalk ng Puerto Princesa. May mga nagsusumba over there. Maraming kainan and tiyanggihan over here sa sites. Kinda reminds me of either riverbanks ng Marikina or C6 naman ng Rizal area. So, wala pa stroll around. Wala pa kaming ligo, pero okay lang yan. Isang bagsak na lang later. Look at our moon tonight, napaka-bilog. So, yeah. For anything notable, we will do more records. So, yan bayan muna natin sila mag-zoom guys.